This is a shortcut method to find the determinant of matrix 3 by 3. So let we have a matrix 1 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 0. So repeat, first column is 1 0 minus 1, second column minus 2 1 2, and third is 1 minus 2 0. Repeat the first column and then repeat the second column. This is column 1, this is repetition, this is column 2, minus 2 1 and 2. All right, now multiply these elements. 1 multiply 1 multiply 0 plus, then multiply these elements, minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 1 plus, then multiply these elements, 1 multiply 0 multiply 2. Now minus, multiply these elements, minus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 minus, multiply these elements, 2 minus 2 multiply 1 minus, and then multiply these elements, 0 multiply 0 multiply minus 2. Understand? So this is 0, this is minus 4, this is 0, and this is 1 minus minus plus, and this is plus 4 and minus 0. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel, and answer is 1. So this is the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix